So guys, in this video I'll be showing you all how to verify your domain, and as well how to actually effectively optimize your event so that you can actually get better results. With the update of Apple following the iOS 14 update, there has been a lot of changes that have been implemented by Facebook, and as well in putting in these changes will actually help you achieve better results. Now you're going to verify our domain to make sure that everything is working perfectly, and as well can actually help us achieve better results in terms of tracking, reporting, and as well better optimization in our conversion campaigns. So now, once we get to our ad account, we'll go to our business settings. Once you get to your business settings, you head to your data sources. Okay, so this process is very simple and very easy once you follow it. All right, so my name is obiomamunachi, and this is my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you have, and as well like and share. And if you have any question, you can as well comment on the comment section, and I'll be here to help you achieve better results. So now let's hop into my scene. So now this is my screen now, and I am here. So now once you've gone in to your business settings, we head to our data sources. Okay, but now we'll go to brand safety. So when you get to brand safety, you go to domains. So we want to verify our domain, and it's very important to do that. So now we are asked to put in our domain. So we put our domain. So once we do that, we put in your domain, then you click add domain. So once you've added domain, you refresh to make sure that it will appear. So we refresh it. So once you've refreshed, this is the domain. As you can see here, it's showing not verified. Okay, it has not been verified. So now we have three processes you can use to verify your domain. One is adding this meta tag to the home page of your website. Okay, so another is using the HTML upload, and then another is using the DNS verification. So now in terms of the meta tag verification, you just have to copy this code. When you copy this code, we'll go to our WordPress site. Go to our WordPress. Once you get to your website, you download a plugin called Insert Header and Footer. Okay, once you download that plugin, you insert. Okay, we log in. Once you've installed the plugin, you activate it. After the activation, then the next thing you have to do is to paste in that this code. Once you paste in this code, you click on verify to make sure that everything has been verified. Okay, so it's quite easy using a plugin. So once you get here, you go to add new. Go to plugin, then we'll add in insert header and footer. So this is the plugin we are talking about, insert header and footer. Okay, once you've done that, you install it. After the installation, you activate. Okay, so after the activation, we go to settings, and then you go to settings, and then you click on insert header and footer. Once you've done that, you come here. This is the head of our website. We'll paste in the code here. Okay, this is the head of our website. Okay, so this plugin helps us to be able to add any plugin on the head tag of our website, likewise on the body, and then on the footer. So once we've done that, you click on save. Once you've done that, click on save, and then you can come here and then click on verify to verify it. So another process also you can use is to use DNS verification process. Now you have to log into your domain provider. Okay, if you're using Namecheap, if you're using GoDaddy, any type of domain provider you're using, you have to go to the DNS section and then add the TST record in the configuration of the DNS, so that way you can actually configure it. So now I've gone in, I will have to go to my cPanel. I'm now in my cPanel of my domain provider. Okay, then once you go there, you go to domains and then go to cPanel, go to DNS provider. So now I'm using the zone editor. So you have to identify the type of website provider you are using and then how to add your own record. Okay, so now I'll click on manage record, then I'll add a new record. So now this is a new record. So now you have to follow the instructions given here by Facebook to actually get this right. So now they say when you log in, you add this in the DNS section. So copy it, record, this is a TST record, so we'll have to add this. Remember, you have to select the type of DNS you're using. So we are using TST as it is here. This is TST record. Okay, so once we've done that, we paste this code and then we can actually add any name here. So we can add our website name. Okay, so once we've done that, we paste the code here, then we'll add record. So record have been added here. As you can see here, it has been added. So we can now go ahead and then verify. So once you've done this, remember the processes. Once you've done this, we now go ahead and verify. So we click verify. So now our domain has been verified. Okay, remember we use two processes. Either of those can serve you. All right, so once we've done that, we will now click on verify. It will now click done. So after that, you have to refresh. Then now our domain has been verified effectively. So as you can see here, it has been verified. So everything is now working perfectly. You don't have any issues, you don't have any problem again. So now once we've done that, you can go ahead to the event section to set up some events according to priority. You want to make sure that each event is set up correctly so that you can actually optimize your ad account to getting better results, to getting better reporting, and as well dependent on what you want to achieve on your campaign, on your ad account. It's loading. So once again, my name is obiomamunachi. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any inquiry, any question, you can as well comment on the comment section, and then share this video, like this video, and also follow me on my social media accounts at obiomamunachi. So that is the essence of verifying your ad account domain name. Okay, that way you can actually help Facebook understand more about what you are doing and your business. So once you've done that, we'll go to aggregated events measurement. So we'll go to configure web events. So we want to set up some events according to priority. We want to make sure that these events are set up correctly. So we verified our domain name. So we click on manage events. Then we'll click edit. So now we want to set up some events according to priority. We want to make sure that this event according to what you want to achieve. So now we select the pixel we want, and then we select the first one. So we want to purchase on our website, you can go ahead and select purchase. So these are different events here. So you can go ahead and pick anyone you want to add. So if you are using if a dropshipper, an e-commerce site, anything you want to do, so here we are choosing purchase. Select purchase. Then we add that. We add another event. We select our pixel. If it's an e-commerce site, you can select different type of information you want to select. So you can select add to payment info, add to cart, and the rest. So now we're selecting payment info. You can select another one. Select the pixel. Select that. Let's find another one. So you have to select according to how your customers go through your website, how the activities they do there. So you have to select that. So here you can set the priority accordingly. So you have the highest priority that wants purchase. So if it's lead you want, you can set lead as basically what your business is into is lead. If it's anything you want to say, you can set it that way. So that way Facebook can actually understand that yes, this is what this person wants. Okay, so that way they will not go I want purchase. They will get more of purchase audience. Okay, they will say that this is my priority, this is what I want to achieve in my ad account, and that way you can actually get better results. So once you've done that, set it, you can add more, as many as you want, as many, up to 8. You can add to cart, checkout, and the rest. Then you set them accordingly. Okay, so that Facebook will understand that this is what you want, this is the steps your customers take when they come to your page. They view, they add payment, they check out, they add to cart. So you set it accordingly, and then after doing that, you submit. Yes, we say yes, we understand, and then we apply. So our event has been set up successfully, and then we can go ahead and click OK. So now everything has been done. You can still edit this event and then add more event if we want to add. So that is how to effectively add and verify your domain easily and then get better results. So the most important reason why you need to verify your domain is very important, because it helps you to actually get better results. Okay, it helps Facebook to understand that yes, this is what this person is doing, and your domain being verified means that you are here and your domain is trustworthy and actually okay. So this is most importantly what you need to do in order to actually get everything up and running. So make sure you implement this, make sure you follow this process, and as well make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can as well comment. If you have any inquiry, go ahead and ask me and I'll be helpful here. Okay, so like this video, share this video. See you guys in my next video. Take care.